today's recipe is French toast topped with caramelized bananas. This is a really easy recipe and it's perfect for breakfast or brunch, and it tastes so good. And before we start, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. Now let me show you how to make it. You're gonna need 4 to 5 slices of bread, 1 banana that's sliced, 2 eggs, 1/3 cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of sugar, a pinch of salt and a pinch of cinnamon, and 1.5 tablespoons of butter. Let's start by making the batter for the French toast. So in a shallow bowl, add in the eggs, milk, sugar, salt, and cinnamon. Beat this mixture by using a fork. Set this mixture to the side while we caramelize the banana. So in a pan over medium heat, melt about 1 tablespoon of butter. And add in the bananas and caramelize each side for about 2 minutes. Once caramelized, remove from the pan. In the same pan, melt about 1/2 tablespoon of butter and soak each slice of bread with the egg mixture on each side. Add the soaked bread onto the pan and cook until golden brown, or for about 2 minutes on each side. Repeat the same with the rest of the bread. Top the French toast with the caramelized bananas and serve. You can also sprinkle in some powdered sugar if you like. This is so easy to make and it's perfect for breakfast or brunch. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to see more delicious recipes. And don't forget to check out my previous recipes, and I'll see y'all soon with a new recipe video. Thanks for watching. Bye!